no fog lamps in this variant. Gets black colored 16-inch alloy wheels with all disc brake. Gets all black leathered seats with dual tone interior. But not your normal XUV 3XO cut. This is the Mahindra XUV 3XO Revex model, and Revex has three variants, which is the M, optional, and the A. And this one which I'm having is the A1. So the M and optional sits below the MX1 and MX2 Pro, while the A, which is I'm having right now, sits between the AX5 and AX5L, and has amazing changes as compared to the normal 3XO. Let's check out that what all changes have been done in this Mahindra XUV 3XO Revex.
Okay, G, so let's start from the key, because Chabi is the Mahindra specific key, of course, with this Mahindra logo in chrome, a lot of chrome bits. Both the key are the flip key, so lock the car, unlock the car. This is to unlock the boot, because no electric tailgate has been provided in this Revex. And let's check the variants. So three variants, M, O, and A. M happens to be a X showroom of 8,94,000, which is for the manual, and top one, which is the one which I'm having right now, petrol manual top one. A is 11,79,000 X showroom. Let's check out what all stuff has been provided now in this Revex as compared to the 3XO. So gets a body color grille in the front with this chrome treatment. Looks super amazing. No ADAS, no 360-degree camera, no fog lamps either. All this stuff is the same. The LED stuff. So the DRLs are in LED, projector, high beam, low beam, all is in LED. Gets this silver color skid plate, no parking sensors at the front, and gets dual tone treatment from the exterior as well as from the interior. From the sides, these are the changes. Gets this TGDI badging. One more badging is there. This is the Revex badging, and the tire size is a smaller as compared to the normal 3X, of course. So this is the tire size 205/65 R16, black color, diamond cut alloy wheels, all disc brakes, and no request switch at the co-driver side. Auto foldable and electrical adjustable ORVMs, piano black treatment, so care has to be taken. Normal wipers has been provided, and the dimensions of this Revex is the same. वही ditto 3XO की जैसे ही आपको dimensions मिल जाते हैं from the exterior, interior as well. This gets a dual pane panoramic sunroof, जो Indians चाहते हैं. No shark fin antenna. Gets this inbuilt spoiler in dual tone, of course, and at the rear these are the changes. So this is the dealer name, two parking sensors, reverse parking camera, the skid plate, Revex badging at the rear, and the boot isn't any changes. Yeah, boot में कोई भी changes नहीं है. It's the same boot space and gets the 60/40 rear split. Let's check the interior. उसमें क्या changes है? Yeah, this is the change. This now gets a full black leatherette treatment on the seats and a dual tone treatment in the interior. Dual pane panoramic sunroof is the same, ditto वही है. 6 airbags, ABS, EBD, ELO distraction control, and all the safety features are standard from the base variant. Gets this armrest with twin cup holders. All get a adjustable headrest, 60/40 split, 3-point seat belts, legroom, kneeroom वही है, वही ditto, उसमें कोई भी changes नहीं है. There is a slight hump, pockets holder, and yeah, some space to keep on your stuff. Rear AC vent. So this is a 12-volt charging port जो आपको दिख रहा है. I'm a bit of hurry right now. So this is a Type-C charging port, and a lot of piano black treatment, so care has to be taken. And one touch up and down is only for the driver. Gets a request switch on the driver's side, and this is manual, no electric stuff. So manual, fuel lid opening, bonnet opening. This is a fuse box, start stop, headlight leveling switch. All is in piano black. So care has to be taken. 6 speeds manual transmission. This is the wireless charging pad. All stuff is the same. वही ditto 3XO की जैसे ही है, copy paste. Auto being IRV arm. This is to open the sunroof, which I can't open right now because it's raining in Goa. And the steering is a leatherette steering, leather treatment. Cruise control is there. This is for the wipers. This is for the headlight and side turn indicator. And this gets a 10.25-inch infotainment system as well as the instrument cluster. वही है same. The Mahindra Didi is there, of course, and all this stuff is the same. Yeah, so armrest with these twin cup holders, manual handbrake. So तू चुप हो जा नहीं तो copyright आ जाएगा. And this gets only one engine option, which is the petrol, because Mahindra says that 70% of their sales comes from only the petrol engine option. So petrol, manual and automatic both are available. So these are the changes in the all new Mahindra 3XO, the Revex model. What do you guys think? Do let me know in the comments.